On the completion of this module, you will have been introduced to the electronic study pack, been given an overview of the Learn app, as well as being able to identify and use the help icon. There are several items contained in the Learn pack that will assist you in your ministry. Firstly, an electronic tablet is supplied which has a screen protector fitted. The tablet will contain a micro SD card. Do not remove the micro SD card as the Learn app will cease to function. A cover is supplied to protect the tablet. Also within the pack there is a solar charger. The charger's function is to be a backup source to charge the tablet. In a later module there will be tuition on how to use the solar charger. The power pack is provided as an additional power source. Again, tuition on how to use the power pack will be given in a later module. The LED light can be connected to the power pack to assist you in your studies when light is fading. We are now going to look at the main features of the Learn app. The following modules will explain how to use them in depth. The app features include the Bible. This is a central aspect of the app. Indeed, remove the Bible from the app and the app will cease to function. There are several Bible versions contained within the app. Within the resource section, numerous books cover a wide range of theological topics that can be read at any time. Further books can be added to the resource section in the future. Bible dictionaries and Strong's Concordance have been included to assist in practical and useful theological referencing. Reading plans assist in the systematic reading of a resource. Encouragements and certificates are offered on successful completion of a resource. Sermons can be prepared and stored on the app. There are also contained numerous templates that assist in sermon writing. Notes can be made during the reading of the Bible and resources and can be stored for future reference. Support can be obtained by generating a ticket. Generally, the Learn team will respond to you within 48 hours. When you press the help icon, a new page will appear that is entitled Help and Support. There are several green headings contained in the tutorial index. When the new screen has opened, swipe up and down with a finger to ensure the entire tutorial has been viewed. You have now completed this module. To recap, close this video, then press the Start button to complete the summary questions before proceeding to the next module.